Hello there, it's Frog, and today, it will be a vlog that will be a little rant about Discord, or rather how Discord has been handled on Manjaro recently. Because yes, as you can see, for several days Discord has stopped working entirely, and for all users using the package from the official repositories. This is because the Discord package from the official repositories absolutely need to be updated, and for some reasons that I have no idea why, well, Discord is designed so that if you are using obsolete software, you just literally can't use the application at all until you get it updated. Because yes, I do consider that an application that suddenly stopped working for literally everyone because it absolutely need to be updated immediately, well, I consider that to be a pretty serious issue to deserve a quick and limited update. Not having the latest version of, for example, LibreOffice is not a big deal because, well, even if the version of LibreOffice that I have is obsolete, well, I can still continue to work on my text documents on my spreadsheets with LibreOffice without problem. But now we have a situation that as long as the package is not updated, the program just literally does nothing at all. In my opinion, it should have taken something like, at worst, let's say 24 hours to deal with the issue, considering that the maintainers are still human and they still have to eat, sleep, etc. Now, somehow, the community seems to recommend more to get Discord from alternate third-party sources, or get the package from testing or unstable branch, which has the required updated package for Discord, rather than pressuring the maintainers of the official repositories to update the package in the stable branch used by most of the users, which I find a little bit odd and a little bit sad at the same time. But whatever, I guess I will unwillingly join the gang too, because, well, I still need Discord in the end. Well, I uninstalled Snap and Flatpak support from my Simpson a while ago because I did not use the main of software distribution at all. But now, well, on my side, I guess I will just install Flatpak support, and again, just to get Discord. So I will install the Flatpak plugin because it will pull Flatpak as a dependency. And I want to manage my Flatpaks from Pamac because it is cool. And the XDG desktop portal GTK. That will be fine to install. So it will upgrade me, guessing at the same time. Well, whatever. So it will install Pamac Flatpak plugin and Flatpak as a dependency and everything else as a dependency too. Let's go. Alright, it is installed. I will just close Pamac, reopen it again. I don't know if it is actually needed, but whatever. Just to be sure, Flatpak, enable Flatpak. I will also enable checking for updates, so I can update the Flatpaks from Pamac. Alright, so and now let's search for Discord. Flatpak. Yeah. It will take a while because it still has to update the list of available Flatpaks. So it will take a while before I can search for Flatpaks. Alright, let's go. And Discord on FlatHub, because I will, by default you have FlatHub as the source for Flatpaks. FlatHub, which is a classic for Flatpaks, and Discord 0.0.11. Let's go, let's install it. So right now, if I do a Flatpak list, I have nothing at all. Alright. Alright, so I have now Discord as a Flatpak, as you can see here, for 3 times. Good, good, good. So we'll just uninstall Discord from the official repositories, because I do not need that anymore. And now I have it as a Flatpak, and for some reason when I search for Flatpak, Discord as a Flatpak, it says that it is not installed. Well, that I can install it, but it is already installed. That's weird. Well, whatever. So it is installed. So if I do that, oh, that's on. That run Discord. Okay. Okay. It does work. Well, I thought I would have the I would have a launcher here. Maybe it is not updated yet. Whatever. So I'll log out and log in again. Alright, so I'm back. I logged out and logged in again. Discord. Okay, so it offers me to install it, but it is already installed, as you can see here. Okay, so and if Flatpak is, as you can see here, it is installed. If I go there, okay, Discord is there. Alright. So, well, it looks like the menu was not updated yet. Oh well. So now it is updated and I have Discord in the menu. I can launch it from the menu. And everything is fine now. I hope so. I have not tested yet if it's working correctly, but at the very least it launches. So it is already better than the previous situation. So that will be all for this video. Hope you liked it. And see you next time for another video that will be, I hope, more positive. Starting good.